In today's video, I'll show you how to change the default boot option in Ubuntu by editing the GRUB configuration. This is useful if you dual boot with another operating system or want to set a specific kernel as your default choice. The Ubuntu dual boot configuration is set to Ubuntu as default choice in the GRUB screen. You can use up and down arrows of your keyboard to select your desired choice. However, if you want to set the default setting to other available choice, you can edit the GRUB file in Ubuntu and modify the settings. Log into Ubuntu operating system and launch the command terminal. You can use Ctrl, Alt, and T for shortcut. Type sudo nano/etc/default/grub and press enter. Enter your password when prompted. Inside this file, look for the line that says grub_default. By default, it's usually set to 0, which means GRUB will boot the first menu entry. For our case, we would like to set the default choice to Windows, which is 5th choice in the menu, but we need to consider this as 4th because the first option is set as 0. Now press Ctrl D to save the file. When the prompt appears to save the file, press the Enter key. Press Ctrl X keys to exit the program to terminal. Now update GRUB by typing sudo update-grub. This command regenerates the GRUB configuration file with your changes. Finally, reboot your system. GRUB should now automatically boot into the option you selected as default.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with your fellow techies. And drop a comment.